Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious and also refreshing limeade with some watermelon cubes. So for this you are going to be needing 1 cup of lime juice. To get the juice out of some fresh limes, all I did was wash some limes and took a lime juicer. This is nothing fancy, and just simply squeeze out 1 cup of lime juice. I use about 5 limes to get to that 1 cup. And you also need some watermelon cubes. I cut mine into some cubes and I throw it in the freezer for about 45 minutes just so they can be frozen. And you'll be needing half a cup of sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of almond extract, or you can use vanilla extract if you wish. And I have some fresh mint that I'll be using. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you'll know that my garden is like overloaded with mint. So these came from my garden. And you'll be needing 3.5 cups of water. And I have a strainer that I'll be using to strain my lime juice just to get the pulp out of it. So by doing that, I'll just simply put it in the strainer and get all the pulp out of that lime juice, which you don't need. And please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. And one more thing guys, you will be needing some ice cubes for this. So let's get cooking guys. Okay, so we're going to start by turning our stove on to medium high. You want to go ahead and add your sugar to a pot. We are making a simple syrup, and you want to make sure you are stirring your sugar and your water until your sugar has melted. All we're looking for is for that sugar to dissolve, nothing more. So as soon as it starts dissolving, you can go ahead and turn it off, and we're going to allow this to cool down completely before we start making our limeade. Okay guys, my simple syrup has cooled down completely. Now we're gonna go ahead and put everything together. So I'm going to start by putting the mint and just save about 3 mints just for garnish. And I'm going to go ahead and put some of my watermelon in there, and I'm going to save a couple as well. And to that, I'm going to add in my simple syrup. And if you want yours to be a little sweeter, you can definitely go ahead and add more sugar. It's totally up to you on liking. And if you don't want to use 1 cup of lime, you can definitely cut it down to half. It depends on how citrusy you want yours. So I'm going to mix this. And to this, I'm going to add my 3 cups of cold water. This is so refreshing, you guys. It's been so hot in North Dakota lately. So if you live in a warm weather area, this is so refreshing and just delicious to make. This is my almond extract. And if you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram and go like my Facebook page. Follow me on Twitter, and also come snap with me on Snapchat. I will leave the link for all those down in the description box for you guys to check out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Like I said, if you want yours to be a little more sweeter, you can definitely add some more sugar to yours, but I like mine just as I have it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take a mason jar, and I'm gonna put in some of my cold watermelon and 1 mint. And I'm going to go ahead and pour me, before I do that, I wanna take some ice, because it's much easier to put the ice before you have the liquid. So I'm gonna take a glass full of ice, and now you wanna pour in your limeade. This looks so good. You guys have to try this. And I'm gonna add a couple more watermelon and my mint, just like this. And I'm going to add a piece of lime that I just made a little cut to the side. Now it's time to give this a taste. This looks so good. Oh my goodness. It's so refreshing. It's currently like 88 degrees outside, so this is just what I need. You guys, please give this recipe a try. And please, if you tried it, or even if you just like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and again, please share this recipe with everybody you know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. Please stay cool this summer, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.